I am super excited because in this video I'll review one of the latest Shelly products called Shelly Pro 4PM. They're now integrated with Home Assistant, and finally I will show you how you can control the device using MQTT and HTTP. Let's go! Hello, Kirill Peyanskis here. Shelly Pro 4PM is a professional 4 channels relay with Wi-Fi, LAN and Bluetooth connection, where Bluetooth is only used during the initial inclusion and pairing. It has 4 outputs with up to 16 amps per output and up to 40 amps for the whole device. It also has several safety features like overpower and overvoltage protection of the load, as well as device temperature protection. The Shelly Pro 4PM is more than suitable for automations, as it is compatible with the most used home automation platforms like Home Assistant, as we will see later, and allows remote control and precise power management. Shelly Pro 4PM is DIN rail mountable inside a breaker box, and it has a 1.8-inch color screen with navigation keys. And that was Shelly Pro 4PM description. Now, let's wire it. This is the line that is coming from the power grid, and it is going to the L, exactly as described here. And this is the neutral, and it is going to the N, the last port here. So I'll connect now the cable Shelly Pro 4PM. And here it is. If I hold the OK button, I can check the status. This is the status. The Shelly Pro 4PM is now turned on, and we can use the Shelly mobile app to pair it with the Wi-Fi. Here is how. I can very easily connect the Shelly Pro 4PM with an Ethernet cable, and then I can open the web interface of the device by typing the IP of the Shelly Pro 4PM, but instead I prefer to use the Shelly mobile app, so I'll start it. You can download it for free from Apple App Store or Google Play. You need also an account there. I'll tap on the hamburger button, and then on Add Device, I'll type my Wi-Fi password here. I'll save the password and I'll click Next. Then I'll select Add by Bluetooth, because Shelly Pro 4PM is ESP32 based device and it has Bluetooth support. So I'll tap Add by Bluetooth. Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget the notification bell. Now, let's continue. It found the device, I'll select it. Include device in network, yes. Bluetooth connected to device. And my Wi-Fi icon is now turned green on the device. Device included, yes. Discover devices, I'll click on the Home button here, and next to Shelly 4 Pro PM I'll click to Add. Then I'll name the device Shelly Pro PM. Living room, device picture, it's a relay, and I'll hit Save Device. Would you like to connect Shelly device to the cloud so you can control it remotely when you are not in your local network? Yes, of course you can say no here, and you can stay only local. And now I'm ready. I have 4 switches now, and I can toggle them on and off. Just like that. Great! The device is connected to my local network, and the good thing about the Shelly products is that you can stay that way if you wish. Only local connection is possible, and optionally you can enable cloud services to control your device from anywhere. Of course, you can enable local and cloud connection simultaneously, and the choice is entirely yours. Now, let's connect something to the output channels of the Shelly Pro 4PM and see how we can control it. The line goes here and the neutral goes here. Okay. It is connected. I put the covers back. And I'll connect the Shelly Pro 4PM in the power grid. Just like that. And I have it up and running. If I press one of the arrows and OK, the lamp turns on. If I press it again, I will turn this backwards in order to see the display. From what you can see here, the current consumption is 5.8 watts. If I press the arrow and OK, the lamp is turned off. Time for Shelly Pro 4PM Home Assistant integration demo. After that, we can see the MQTT and HTTP integration as well, and you will hear my thoughts about pros and cons of the device. Okay, I'll open my test Home Assistant and I'll go to Configuration, Integrations, Add Integration, and I'll search for Shelly. It found some devices that I didn't add, but the one that I wanted is not listed, so I'll click No Setup on other instance of Shelly and I'll type the IP 129. I get this IP from the Shelly Pro 4PM itself. Oh, the device is using an unsupported firmware version. Okay, let's fix that. I'll go to Device. This is the web interface of the Shelly Pro 4PM. Firmware version, and available version is higher than my current one, so I'll update it.
1 minute later.
The device firmware version is now updated, as you can see here. So let's try to add it in Home Assistant again. Add integration, Shelly. Gain is not detected, so let's try to enter the IP. This time everything is fine. Shelly Pro 4PM can be added in Home Assistant. Now I will search for Shelly integration in the install. Where it is? One device, 28 entities. Good, very good. And this is it. The switch, the consumption, and what's that? Energy, power. Okay, I have energy and power attributes, as well as the switch. I have 4 switches and every switch have energy and power attributes. Additionally, I also have some disabled attributes, but I don't want them. Now I can add this to my Lovelace by just clicking on this button, Add to Lovelace UI, and from now on I can control this from my dashboard of Home Assistant. Where it is? Let's try this. This should be switch 0, yes. And it is working. Great. I didn't check the consumption. Let's try again. 5.8 watts, very good. The power consumption is also working in Home Assistant. Let's try to create a simple automation now in Home Assistant. I'll go back to the device and I'll click on the plus button next to the automations card. And I have some ready to use triggers and I want exactly this. Do something when switch 0 turned on. The name of the automation can be anything you wish. When Shelly Pro 4PM switch 0 is turned on. My trigger is already populated because I choose this in the previous dialog, and my action will be call service Persistent notification create is the service that I want to invoke. Here it is, and the message will be the same as the name. It can be anything you wish actually, but I will use the same text as my automation name because it's easier to demonstrate. And now my notifications are one. I have already one persistent notification. Currently the switch of the Shelly Pro 4PM is turned on. I'll turn it off. Nothing changed here. If I turn it on again, my notifications become 2, and this is my notification coming from my Home Assistant automation. Very good. Let's see a very quick Shelly Pro 4PM MQTT demo. Let's see how easy it is to enable MQTT for the Shelly Pro 4PM. I'll open again the web interface of the Shelly and I'll go to Networks, MQTT, and then I'll enter my MQTT credentials right here. This is the IP of my MQTT broker. The user is smash the like. This is the password. Apply and the device should reboot to apply the new settings. Reboot complete. I will now open MQTT Explorer. This is a free tool available for Windows, Mac and Linux, and it's great for testing MQTT communication. I will connect to my MQTT broker, and there is no Shelly topic here unfortunately. Let me try to change one of the switches. Okay, now the topic is available here and I can expand it, and these are my event change. Now I can try the following. I'll go to my Shelly Pro 4PM topic and I will paste a JSON command inside. The most important parts of this JSON command, MQTT command, is the last params ID 0 and on true. That means enable channel 0. If I hit publish, the lamp is turned on. I don't know, is it visible? Yes, it is visible. That means I can command my Shelly Pro 4PM from MQTT without any problems. I can also subscribe to this topic and to listen for changes and to make automations based on that. Of course, that is possible. Good. Moving to a Shelly Pro 4PM HTTP demo. The next thing that I want to show you is the HTTP communication that Shelly Pro 4PM support. Currently the switch 0 is turned on. I'll open a terminal and I'll use this curl command to disable it. The important part here is also channel 0 and on equal false. That means disable it, as well as the IP of my device right here. So if I hit enter, the channel is disabled and the lamp is turned off. And as you can see, I can change this to true. And the lamp gets turned on again. If I want to change the channel, I just have to change this ID to 1, for example. And channel 1 is also enabled. So, Shelly Pro 4PM is working with Home Assistant, MQTT, HTTP post requests and WebSockets. That's more than enough. And this will be my Shelly Pro 4PM pros and cons section. And I'll start with the things that I didn't like so much. The first one is the Shelly Pro 4PM color display. Although it looks cool, it is useless to me. Don't get me wrong here, there's nothing bad with the display itself, but I'll not use it at all. The device will just stay closed in my breaker box and no one will ever have to look at that display. If I need some info from the device, I'll either get it from Home Assistant or from the Shelly Pro 4PM web interface. So, in my case, the display will only consume energy without real use. The next thing that I didn't like very much is again related to the display somehow. the name of the device is not shown there. You can say that is not a big deal, and you are right. But imagine if you have multiple Shelly Pro 4PM mounted side by side, and to understand to which device is which, you have to label them manually somewhere with a marker or sticker. The other way is to get the MAC address of the device from the menu and to compare it in the device web interface in order to get the name. Wouldn't be just easier to have the name on the display somewhere? Thankfully, that option can be added in one of the future Shelly firmware updates, and the name can magically appear after you update your device over the air. Let's move to the pros now. The biggest plus of this device, in my humble opinion, is the design. You can save space and gain functionality in your breaker box by replacing up to 4 breakers with just one single Shelly Pro 4PM. On top, after this procedure, all of the 4 channels are going to be smart and can be controlled remotely with visible power consumption. We already saw and discussed the other pros like the enhanced safety features, MQTT, HTTP, WebSocket, Home Assistant support, and so on. In general, I can recommend the Shelly Pro 4PM as the pros are a lot and the cons are negligibly small. If you wish to secure this channel existence, you can do one of the following, or best, all of them. Subscribe for my channel with the notification bell, like this video, check the support method in the video description, join my Discord and follow me on Twitter. And remember, home smart but not hard. I'm Kirill and I'm done speaking. Bye!